Okay, so in this video we're going to just show how easy it is to create a project, create a user or two, and then make it so those users have access to that project. So the first thing we'll do is start our server. We have the server admin open right now, but we actually don't have the server running. So all we have to do is press this play button, and what this will do is load up a console window, and this is the actual server. So we could just minimize this for now, and the server administrator actually communicates directly with the server to allow you to do some administrative tasks. So you could run this server administrator from any machine on your network, and using the connect admin to running server area, put in the IP address of the machine and connect to a running server on another machine. So what we'll do is we'll just create a project. We'll go to the Manage Project button on this Projects button on the side here. We have a couple tabs, so we're in our New Project tab. So what we'll do is just give our project a name. And then we'll just say, for description. Now we have some options here for the data storage location. We can either put it to default or user defined. Default will store the actual file and asset data and all the information that the project is going to use. It'll save it right next to the executable for the server. And then we can also define a location if we wanted to with the other option, user defined. For our project mode, if you want to work locally, that is getting files to the local workspace and then working with them and then importing them back to the server, choose local mode. You could use network mode. That would then make your local workspace a shared location where everyone else on the project is just accessing files from that shared location. So if you want to know more about this, you can read the documentation or perhaps watch another video describing more in detail these different options. So we'll just set it to local mode. Now below here we have project categories. If we open this node up, we have artist types, asset status, and a few others here. If you click through these, you'll see the default values that are put in. You can remove these and add new ones. Some of them you cannot remove, but most of them you can, and so you can change them to whatever you'd like for your project. So then the next step would be to just press the Create Project button. You'll be notified that it was successfully added. Now for our users, we want to give some users access to this project. You'll see we have a couple users already in the system, and in order to give them access to this project, all you do is select the username here on the tree view on the left, go down to the Project Access box here, and then just select your project that you want to give access to, and then hit Grant Access, and then you'll see it load up in the accessible projects. In order to give permissions based on this project, go to User Permissions, select your project, and just give the user some privileges, and then click Set Permissions. And that's all there is to it. Now you could use departments if you'd like in your project. You could see more of those going through the client to see what this is used for. In order to give a member access to a department, just click the actual project, then click a department, and then click Add, and you'll see it open up here. So a user can be a member of more than one department. So that's all there is to creating a project and setting up users. Though there are more activities you can do in the server, but those will be saved for another video.